Very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal, Hotel Management Department. Today I am going to discuss about some informations regarding peg measures. Basically, a peg measures is the basic equipment which is used in the bar during the service at front counter. Basically, we discussed this is a peg measure, and this slot is used for 60 ml, and we measures the quantity of the peg with the help of measurement. We take a quantity here 60 ml, and if we do it like this, here is the 30 ml. The quantity of the peg is 30 ml. Basically, this is the two-side peg measure here in 60 ml and 30 ml. So it is basically used in service. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.